Mr. Mr. Jatin. You know the nature of questions that are being asked in the interviews because you have been with me for a long time. So based on that, please ask questions. Yeah,
So I need to ask questions for the
yeah,
master.
yeah, yeah. You can also ask questions. Vishwa, please ask questions, and you must be able to explain the answer to them in case they are not able to answer it properly. So
Okay.
that way, yeah, please, this will help you improve your communication skill, and it will also be an opportunity for Nandini and Jatin to attempt answering questions. Please ask.
Can I ask about self-intro?
Yeah, you can ask anyway. Anyway, or they are all BBA students,
Okay,
so
sir.
you can ask about banking, Reserve Bank,
Okay.
then commerce, then business, like that. Anything.
Okay.
First, ask Jatin.
Hello.
Right?
Hi,
Hi, Jitin. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Can you explain about RBI and its function?
Okay, Reserve Bank of India is a governing body which controls all the all the public and private banks of a country. It also the
Mm,
importance of Reserve Bank India is in like they are manufacturing the currency of India,
mm.
and they control the repo rate and reverse repo rate.
Yeah, we can ask Nandini to tell in our own words. Nandini, can you tell us what is there in your mind about RBI?
RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is an apex bank of the country, which controls all the public sectors and private sectors bank. It sets rules and regulations which the public sector and private sector banks are required to follow it. And also, it manufactures currency notes, except one rupee note, which is manufactured by Finance Ministry. And also, RBI lends money to other banks, which they're supposed to repay it. And it also controls repo rate and reverse repo rate and bank rate. And also, RBI sets the interest rate that the banks should uh, should use it for lending money to its customers.
Now, here one observation is that you are using the word manufacturing. That word normally we don't use. We use RBI is the note issuing authority.
Okay. Okay.
Note issuing authority. And RBI is the central bank of the country, not apex bank or governing body. Not they are all not wrong words. They are not commonly used. RBI is the central bank of the country. It acts as bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and it is also vested with the power of monetary policy. That is, they control the they regulate the repo rate and reverse repo rate, etc. Okay, this is how normally we tell in the introduction aspect of it. Not that what you have told is wrong. You told correctly. You omitted only one point, that is foreign exchange control, and you omitted also bankers to government. That point also you omitted. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, Jatin, can you put a question to our friend Viswa? Whatever comes to your mind.
Okay, sir. Also, how will you deal with your failures?
Okay.
With your
Uh,
failures. Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
sir.
Mm,
Actually, I always remember the quote, failure is a stepping stone to success. Because of I have failed in many interviews, then only I have came to know how to develop my communication, and I built my communication level this much. And even though in my life I have gone through many failures, that made me as a man stand behind you or sit behind you. um, and I will handle the failures with common composure, because failures is not only it is all, it is a stepping stone only. Thank you.
Now, Nandini, can you explain how will you manage failures?
As Vishwas said, that failures are the stepping stones. So I do believe in the same thing, that with the failures, which eventually we tend to learn that what are the corrections we need to make to overcome those failures, and also to make those weaknesses into our strengths. So we should just focus, we should not get demotivated and lose our hope because of the failures. Instead, we should take them as an opportunity to learn more and to convert our weaknesses or our backdrops into strengths.
Good. Now, Jatin, can you answer?
Yes, sir. So failure is a part of your life. The thing is that you failed sometimes, but it doesn't mean that you will fail again and again. So I think you should learn from your failures and what the mistakes you should not done in your further steps.
No, the only objection for me is that you started using the word you.
Okay, sir.
That should be changed properly. Okay. Now, why don't you read this, Jatin?
Yes, sir. What's
Oh,
up?
sorry, I have not shared it. No? I'm sorry. I thought I am sharing it. I have not shared it. Yeah.
How to manage failures in career or life? Managing failures, managing failures in both your career and life is a crucial for personal growth and resilience. Here are some strategies to help you navigate and learn from failures. First, acceptance and self compassion. Acknowledge that failure is a natural part of life and a valuable learning experience. Be kind to yourself and avoid self criticism. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer to a friend facing a setback. Reflect and learn. Take time to reflect on what went wrong and why. Analyze the factors that contributed to the failure. Identify lessons learned and areas for improvement. Use failures as an opportunity to grow and develop new skills. Set realistic goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Set realistic exceptions,
No, no.
expectations, expectations
Expectation.
for yourself to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Celebrate small achievements along the way. Seek feedback and support. Reach out to mentors, colleagues, or trusted friends for feedback and advice. They can offer they can offer valuable perspectives and guidance. Surrounded yourself with a supportive network that encourage your growth and resilience. Adapt and pivot. Be flexible and willing to adapt your strategies or goals based on the lessons learned from failure. Embrace change and seek setbacks as opportunities to explore new paths and approaches. Maintain a positive mindset. Cultivate a positive attitudes towards challenges and setbacks. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Practical gratitude and mindfulness to stay resilient and maintain a healthy perspective. Take action. Use failures as motivation to take action and work towards your goals and renewed determination. Break tasks into actionable steps and stay committed to making progress even if it is gradual. Keep moving forward. Avoid dwelling on past failures or letting them define your future. Learn from them and keep moving forward with resilience and determination. Stay focused on your long term vision and continue to pursue your passion and dreams. By applying these strategies, you can effectively manage failures in your career and life, turning them into opportunities for growth, learning, and personal development.
Yeah, very good. See, actually, here one word is being used quite often. That is resilience. What do you understand by resilience?
This is like comeback, sir.
Resilience means not come back.
Resilience refers to that we should be strong enough by not backing off from things.
Yeah,
We should
we should
stay in
not give
those
up. We should not give
situations.
up. We should not give up. We should not stop attempting, but continue to attempt again and again till we get success. Most of us, what we will do, we will try for once. Majority people will stop after one attempt. Some others will go for second two attempts, and after failure in that, they will stop. But the success is there only after the third attempt. But that we don't know. So resilience means trying again and again, not giving up. Okay, good. And I found even in this chat GPT answer, they have repeated the points more than once, twice. So now, once you are through these points, you can make out a small paragraph for you to tell in when you are facing such a question in your interview. It's a good question, Jatin. I'm happy. Good. Next, Nandini. Can you ask some question? Nandini, can you ask any question that comes to your mind?
Yes, sir. What if a bank goes in a bankruptcy and they're telling us that we should work even if the salary is not given? So would you be comfortable working in the bank without a salary for a period of like 3 months?
Oh, this is GD question, group discussion question, where similar assignment is coming. But okay, try attempting this. Bhanupriya, can you answer this? Bhanupriya, you are appearing for Federal Bank or Exim Bank? Bhanupriya, are you there?
Federal Bank, sir.
Federal Bank. What is your degree, please? Bhanupriya, what is your degree?
Computer B in computer.
Computer science.
B. B in computer science.
So you are from which college?
Vidyavardhaka College from Mysore.
Oh, acha, acha, acha. Good, good, good. Now, this is a very tough question. I don't know how we are going to manage this. Now, what will be your answer for this? Will you work for your bank when the bank is under loss and they want you to work without salary? Now, so far, they have not asked such a question. This is really a tough question. Let us see what Bhanupriya has to say on this. Bhanupriya.
Definitely, I will work, sir, because the company has given job opportunity and career opportunity till now, and such loss has not been happened in last few years, according to the question. So, to bear with the loss and to support the company to its success, I will take it this challenge as learning in my career, and I will definitely work.
Good, not bad. You told nicely. Yeah. You know, talking about this, just today, I was going through a material known in a local newspaper. It is known as Mylapore Times. Mylapore Times. I think in every area you have such newspaper, you know, which gives what is the important news about that place. In this Mylapore Times, it is telling about a very peculiar situation in that a fund, Mylapore Permanent Fund, which was started in the year 1872. Can you imagine how many years? 150 years. Such a company has This one. See, this is the one. Depositors of Mylapore Hindu Permanent Fund Limited feel cheated with delayed or part payments or uncertain future. Here, this company, this fund has been there for so many years, 150 years. Suddenly, for the last 6 or 7 months, they are experiencing problem and they are delaying payment of monies to people, payment of interest to people. So this is a very live question. But now, for the interview purposes, your answer has to be what Banu Priya said. The bank has been good enough to give me a job, and I have been working in this bank for so many years, and I have received a salary. Right now, the bank is facing problem. So I would like to sail along with the bank for next few more months to see whether it can help the bank come out of the crisis. So that is how we have to manage this question. But there can be another question related to this. That is, now what happened in this case, fund. Supposing fund is not repaying money and they close the company, there is no solution. No money will be paid by anybody. But there is some advantage in the case of banks. I think Vishwa must be knowing because we must have discussed this earlier. Can you tell me, Vishwa, what will happen if a scheduled commercial bank is now put into a peculiar situation that it goes into bankruptcy? So what will happen in that situation to depositors and to borrowers?
The lending of money like loans will be reduced at that time, sir. And the interest for the loans that given by the borrowed by the bank will be higher than the lower than the past times, sir. And bank will should achieve more depositors to make more advances in that situation, sir. Uh, and even they will give more bank assurance insurance policies like that, sir. And they will need to get more number of customers in that way to reduce that bankruptcy problems.
Sorry, your answer is not relevant. The correct answer for this is the scheduled commercial bank deposits up to rupees 5 lakhs per individual in a bank is guaranteed by DICGC, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. The name of the chairman is Mr. M.D. Patro. Who is M.D. Patro? M.D. Patro. Who is M.D. Patro? Deputy Governor.
Deputy Governor of RBI, sir.
Yeah, Deputy Governor of RBI. So, when a bank goes in liquidation, the depositors will be compensated up to rupees 5 lakh. Supposing there is a depositor having 20 lakhs, he will be given only 5 lakhs. Such a facility is not there in the case of non-banking financial companies like this fund. These are non-banking finance companies where there is no guarantee. For the guarantee of DICGC, banks are paying 12 paise per rupees 100 as premium to DICGC. This much, if you know, that will do. Could you understand, Nandini? Could you follow what I said?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me essential points?
5 lakh deposits in the bank is always safe for a customer, so he's guaranteed even during the bankruptcy, even during the loss of a bank. So 5 lakh is always guaranteed, and the bank will give the customer 5 lakh, and this is
Bank will not give. DICGC will give.
DICGC will give this. And also for 12 paise for rupees 100 is what the calculation is.
Is the premium that banks are paying. The premium is paid not by the customers, but by the banks. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, very good. This is a very favorite question. Yeah. Banu Priya, you have account in which bank? Banu Priya?
Yes,
Banu Priya,
sir.
yeah. With which bank are you having account?
Canara Bank, sir.
Achha, good, 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 good. So what is the difference between Canara Bank and the Federal Bank?
Sir, Canara Bank is under government and Federal Bank is not under government.
Hmm. But actually, Canara Bank is a public sector bank, whereas Canara Bank, Federal Bank is a private sector bank. That is correct. Can you tell me where is Canara Bank headquarters?
Head,
Mysuru girl, tell me.
in Mangaluru, sir, I think.
No, no. Viswa, you know where is the headquarters of Canara Bank?
I don't know, sir.
We have discussed many times. It is in Bengaluru.
Think-
Bengaluru. Yeah, good. What is the other name by which Bengaluru is being called by others? You know, nickname. What is the nickname nowadays given to Bengaluru? Yes, please, our Mysore girl, tell us.
So is it Silicon City?
Yeah, Silicon City of India. Earlier, it was called Garden City of India, but nowadays, whether we can continue to call it like that, I don't know, because a lot of buildings have come and forests are being reduced and all that. But then, even then, that name stays as it is. Just as in the case of Coimbatore, we do call Manchester of South India.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Now, um, Banu Priya, what are the languages you know?
Kannada and English, sir.
Acha, good. What is your father, Banu Priya?
For the working, sir.
Yeah.
He's an factory employee.
Acha. He's working in which factory?
A paper mill factory, sir.
Good. What is your mother?
Housewife, sir.
How many siblings Banu Priya has?
3 siblings.
What are they doing?
First elder sibling had done MBA.
Hmm.
And second elder sister also done her MBA.
Hmm.
And my younger sister is doing BCA in final year BCA.
Very good. Acha, why you are in Acha, BE, 4th year, na?
Yes, sir.
Good. What is the CGPA you are getting in your graduation?
8.8.
Good. Very good. 8.8. Have you heard the abbreviation used in banks? CBS.
CBS.
No. C, B for Bombay. Yes. S for sugar. What
No.
is C? No, you don't know. You have not heard. Then Viswa, I think you must be remembering. What is
Yes, sir.
CBS? What is it?
Core banking solutions, sir.
What is that?
It is like a hub, a central hub. All banks are connected through the internet. All branches of the banks, sir.
No, you should not say all banks. All branches of the
Yes,
bank are
sir.
interconnected
Interconnected through a central.
with the main server.
Okay, sir.
That is the main server of the head office
Head
or
office.
whatever it is.
Okay, sir.
So, and after that, all the bank's servers are interconnected through national financial switch. There is a new platform known as National Financial Switch, NFS. They only connect all the ATMs of banks with with each other, so that a State Bank of India ATM will be able to access the server of Indian Bank, like that. So that is known as National Financial Switch, that is interconnecting of ATMs. So as a computer student, Banu Priya must be thorough with the concept of NPCI. Have you heard NPCI, Banu Priya? No. Viswa must be knowing. Viswa, what is NPCI?
National Payment Corporation of India, sir.
Correct. National Payment Corporation of India, headquarters in Mumbai. Mr. Dilip Asbe, Dilip, DILIP, ASBE, is the managing director of what is that? Our NPCI. And NPCI is the authority which is having all the platforms. These are the platforms. NPCI, what we do. These are the things they are doing. Now, Manupriya, please read all this.
UPI, Rupee, Beam, NACH, IMPS,
NACH means National Automatic Clearing House.
IMPS,
IMPS means Immediate Payment System. Continue.
NETC, FASTag.
Yeah, FASTag is used for which purpose, Manupriya?
I don't know, sir.
Are you having car in your house?
Car.
CAR, car. No,
No, sir.
no. So in the cars, on the front glass, they will fix one thing that is known as FASTag. So they will be loading that FASTag with rupees. So whenever the car crosses some toll gate, the money will be deducted. So this is known as FASTag. And for this, the technology that is used is RDIF. What is RDIF?
Sir,
Viswa?
RFID, sir.
RFID. Acha, acha. What is that?
Radio frequency identification method, sir.
Radio frequency identification
Method.
RFID. What is RFID?
ID means identification, sir.
Oh. RFID chips. Radio frequency identification. A method of tracking goods by means of tags which transmit a radio signal. Very good. So I want you people to go through this NPCI in detail. I'm not going through that now. I'm leaving it as it is. Now we will go to the next candidate who has joined us now. Marvin. Marvin, you are from which college?
PSNA college, sir.
Acha, that Dindukal.
Yes, sir.
When is your interview?
Still now not scheduled, sir.
Acha,
Sir,
okay.
for me, for Krishna, PSNA and PSG are combined together in a pool, sir. We didn't get any interview dates.
Any details? Acha.
Yes, sir. But we completed GD on March 6, but still now we
It's
got.
almost 31 days, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very bad. Yeah. Now, Marvin,
Yes, sir.
are you comfortable with Pan India posting?
Yes, sir. It's not at all issue for me.
How do you say so?
Yes, sir. Because I love to explore and to secure a job in bank is my dream. So it's not at all issue for me.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Now, next question. What is the degree you are doing, Marvin?
BTech in computer science and business systems, sir.
Oh, what is that business systems?
The normal computer science degree involves only core subject as computer science paper, sir. But this degree involves both computer science and management papers.
Oh, what are management papers?
Financial management and supply chain management, hospital waste management, and economics. These are all the management paper we studied, sir.
Acha. Economics also you are studying.
Yeah, sir, but it's just fundamentals of economics only, not in-depth concept based.
What is inflation?
The sudden sudden rising of price over a particular period of time is called inflation, sir.
Not sudden.
Oh,
The rise in the price of goods and services over a length of time.
oh, okay, sir.
Not sudden.
Okay, sir.
What was the inflation rate as on February 2024?
Don't know, sir.
5.09.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Mr. Marvin,
Yeah, sir.
how will you contribute to our bank?
This question, what I have to tell, sir, I don't.
You try whatever comes to your mind, you tell.
Yeah, sir.
But there is no the correct answer for this. They want to test your confidence.
Yeah, sir. Basically, I am from computer science and business system background. For both the, I have skills on both the computer science and management side. So with that, I can able to contribute both in technology wise as well as business related.
Now we will go to Nandini. Nandini, can you tell me how will you contribute to bank?
As the major job role which the post requires is about customer relationship and management. So I feel that I think I have the required skill sets to properly manage the customers, to properly communicate with them, and to bring the business to the branch. So that is how I think I may contribute to the organization.
Don't say I think, say I have.
Okay, sir.
You have to tell confidently. Yeah. Now who has to speak? Bhanupriya, please speak. Bhanupriya.
Yes, sir. Mm. I will contribute to your company. I will do best my roles and responsibility. Sorry, sir, I'm unable to think.
Viswa.
So, as a role of a clerk, I can contribute the federal bank by canvassing the customers to insurance and the deposits and loans. And even though I'm having a better communication and a better relationship developing ability to make the customers our side and recommend the recommendations from the customers also. And I'm even though I'm evenly good at managing the works within the time, and I can give a better work and better solution for our companies.
I think you like the word even though very much. So you have used it 2 times without any relevance.
Okay.
There was no need for you to use that word even though.
Okay.
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 How will you contribute to bank? The first is, only thing is you have to tell, I will welcome the customers with a smile, listen to their needs fully, properly, and try to satisfy their financial problems. I will use my communication skills to get more bank assurance business, mutual fund business, and also try to canvas for doing cross selling so that our bank's business can be improved. Something like that. Whatever you speak, you should speak confidently. Could you follow?
Okay, sir.
Next question. Do I follow their social media? So that means those people who have not been following social media should try to go to, say, Facebook. What is the other one? Twitter, LinkedIn, and all that, and find out what are the postings they are giving in, say, our Federal Bank. In Federal Bank's postings, what are they giving? Facebook.
YouTube also there.
YouTube also, correct. Then
Almost all the social media, X, YouTube,
yeah.
and Instagram.
Where is Facebook? Not here. Login Facebook. Some login page is coming. I don't know what is it. My page is not coming. Some problem in this. See, actually, in this in this I must get it.
Not
In this,
visible, only Google
in this
pages.
browser, it will come. So now I am getting it. Yeah, this is my page. Then what we can do is search Federal Bank.
Sir, it is not visible. Your searching is not.
Yeah. Federal Bank. Financial services, 1 million followers. Welcome to the official page of Federal Bank Limited. 10 plus posts in the last 2 weeks. Not much postings, only very few postings. So once you come here, Federal Bank, there is one more page known as Federal Bank customers also. So, but why Federal Bank? This is not coming. Yeah. This is their page. See, if you have gone through the page, then you will know. Bid to farewell to morning stress and allow to smooth coffee runs. With flash pay from Federal Bank, your day starts off on the right foot. Just tap pay and relish in the simple pleasures of your favorite cup of coffee. Then, thread of financial prosperity. Federal Bank branch opens in Silk City, Dharmavaram. I think it is in Andhra Pradesh. Dharmavaram is in Andhra Pradesh. Yesterday, some boy posted that they have
Yes,
opened
sir. They are
25 branches.
celebrating 250 plus branches in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, sir.
Yeah. It won't be just Rajasthan and Delhi posting big scores today. Kolkata is the running too, with Federal Bank opening 6 new branches. Kolkata zone will now have 111 branches. So like this, if you go through this, you will know. Another milestone achieved, 5 new branches opening in the Northeast tomorrow. Your perfect banking partner is now more accessible than ever. Join us to revolutionize banking experience. Then complete banking comes to Kola Sib, Dharma Nagar, then boundless banking begins. So likewise, please go through these social websites, whether you like it or not. If you get a question, you must be able to manage that one. Okay, good.
Sir,
Yeah,
you said to remember that glossary.
yeah. Oh, good, good, good. Very good. That's right. I wanted us to discuss about this. Federal Bank. Correct. Federal Bank glossary. Yeah. Now, Mr. Vishwa, you only started this. Please tell me, what do you understand by account statement?
Own statement. It is a statement where we can see our debit and credits of account within a given statement period cycle, sir.
Good. Can you also answer this question? Bank assurance.
Yes, sir. Bank assurance is a assurance which is given to the insurance from the third party to earn some of the profit to the bank, and they're promoting the insurances to the peoples like medical policies and car insurance, bike insurance, etc.
No, you committed some mistakes. Course of English conversation, there was some mistakes. Bank, we will see what is the definition they have given. This is what you have to tell. Please read. Bank assurance.
Bank insurance refers to the distribution of insurance products and the insurance policies of insurance companies, which may be life policies or non-life policies.
Ah,
Non-life policies like home insurance, car insurance, medi policies, and others by bank as a corporate agents through their branches located in different parts of the country by charging a fee.
so could you follow what you said was different, and
Yes,
what
yes.
is given here is different. Can you
They
please
said
read it?
they
Can you
said
please
that
read it once again?
yes.
Bank assurance.
Bank assurance refers to the distribution of insurance products and insurance policies of insurance companies, which may be life policies or non-life policies like home insurance, car insurance, medi policies, and others by bank as a corporate agents through their branches located in different parts of the country by a charging a fee.
Yeah, because they are not doing anything free.
Yes, yes.
Banks are doing this because they get commission.
Commission.
Now, Nandini, can you answer this one? What is banking ombudsman?
Banking ombudsman is a quasi-judicial authority, which means that he holds the authority of taking decisions of the bank and also solving the problems which the customers file against a bank. A quasi-judicial authority means that he acts as a court of law, where he has the authority to resolve a problem and give solutions.
More or less, okay. Why don't you read this? Banking ombudsman.
So it's not
So it
visible.
is not visible on the screen.
Oh,
Banking ombudsman is the authority to look into complaints against bank in the main areas of collection of checks, bills, issue of demand drafts, non-adherence to prescribed hours of working, failure to honor guarantee or letter of credit commitments, operations in deposit accounts, and also in the areas of loan and advances where banks flaunt directions or instructions of RBI. This scheme was announced in 1995 and is functioning with new guidelines of 2007. This scheme covers all scheduled banks, the RRBS, and cooperative banks.
now there is a lot of change in this. This they have written so many years back. They have not updated this. I want you to search in Google, banking ombudsman, revised banking ombudsman scheme. That means you have a single ombudsman scheme for banks and non-banking financial companies also. Please search like that and read. Next one, what is check truncation? Jatin, please tell me what is check truncation? Mr.
Yes,
Jatin?
yes, sir. Check truncation, right?
Yeah,
Sir, I don't know this meaning actually, sir. I tried to understand, but
please read.
check truncates or stops the flow of checks through the banking system. Generally, truncation take place at the collection at the collecting branch, which sends the electronic image of the checks to the paying branch through the clearing house and stores the paper checks with it.
See, there are two things. A check is drawn on Indian bank and that is being deposited in State Bank of India. All these years before 2010, State Bank of India will be sending that check to the other bank and other bank will make a debit and then honor the commitment. But nowadays, they are not sending the original checks, but they send only the electronic image of the check, both front side and back side. And looking at the electronic image, the paying branch makes payment of the amount. The original check is retained by the collecting branch. Now we will go for this core banking solution. This we have already discussed. Banu Priya, please read this.
Sir, I'm using phone. I could not read. It is blurred, sir.
Yeah, it's very small for you. What about Viswa? Can you read?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please read.
Core banking solution is a buzzword in the Indian banking at the present, where branches of a bank are connected to a central host and the customers of connected branches can do banking at any branch with core banking facility.
Good. So in fact, this covers one more point also, more than what I said. I only said it is connecting all the branches of the bank, but here they have brought out another
Customers.
use also, that it helps the people to operate in another branch of the bank also. Good. Next, Nandini, can you read this CVV?
Yes, sir. CVV, card verification value, is an anti-fraud security feature that helps verify that you are in possession of your credit card and making the transaction. CVV is usually a three-digit number printed on the signature panel at the back of your credit card. You need this number when shopping online or over the phone.
Correct. Good. Next one. Viswa, can you tell me what is demand deposits?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hmm.
Demand deposits are the deposits which is made on a demand of account. The deposit consists of a savings account and a current account, sir.
So the first sentence is not required.
Okay, sir.
What did you say? Demand deposit is a demand deposit. Why
Demand
should you tell?
deposits accounts are made by demands of the.
No, that is not correct.
Okay, sir.
Demand deposits. Demand deposits are savings bank and current account
Current.
where the balances are repayable on demand. Okay, good. Now we will go to Jatin. Jatin, you know Demat account?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Basically, Demat account contains the details of shares and other securities in your name. So purchase and sell shares, you need to open Demat account. If you want to purchase or sell the shares, you need a Demat account.
This is all maintained in electronic form.
Yeah, it
Good.
is digital form.
Yeah. Now we will go to Nandini. What is e-commerce? Nandini.
Yes, sir. E-commerce is a platform which is an electronic medium which works through the system of internet, where it is a platform which offers the buyers and sellers to trade their goods.
Not bad. Can you explain EMI, Nandini?
EMI is an installment which the buyer which the customers pay for the goods they purchased. It is a monthly installment or in 6 months once installments which they eventually pay until they meet the amount to which they had purchased a good. The EMI also includes on interest basis or it is a non-interest basis as well.
Equated monthly installment.
Install.
That wordings you have to use.
Okay, sir.
And it is not only in respect of purchase, we are talking in banks. This is the equated monthly installment for a loan. Nandini.
Yes, I mentioned loan.
Yeah, no, you did not mention about loan at all. You told about goods purchased and all that, and 6 months and all. So it is actually equated installment, nor equated monthly installment. Every month it is to be paid for the loan given by the bank.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
sir, I can't understand that endorsement abbreviation. What does it mean, sir?
Endorsement means, see, there is a check. I am giving a check favoring Viswa. I am a drawer. Viswa is payee.
Okay, sir.
And my bank, Indian Bank, is drawee bank.
Okay.
Viswa, what he will do, he is not going to get it collected in his account. He signs on the backs and gives it to Kavirao.
Okay, sir.
So now here Viswa is endorser and Kaviram is endorsee.
Okay, sir.
Then he can, now Kaviram can put into his account.
Okay, sir.
This can be done provided the check is not crossed account payee. It is simply crossed. Two parallel transverse lines are written on the face of the check.
Sir, it can be transferred to my account and then it can be transferred to Kaviram or directly.
No. It will go directly to Kaviram's account.
Okay, sir.
That is why endorsement.
Endorsement. Okay.
Where it is going to your account, what you will do, you will go and give your check to your
Yes,
bank,
yes.
and then you will give your check on your bank to Kaviram.
Okay. It makes process simple.
Yeah. Now, what is foreign banks? Now, Bhanupriya, please read foreign banks. Oh, you are not able to see. Jatin, you read. Jatin, you read.
Yes, sir. Foreign banks. Banks incorporated outside India but operating in India and regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Example, Barclays Bank, HSBC, Citibank, Standard Chartered Bank, etc.
Good. There are 42 foreign banks in our country. Now, Jatin, please read
Sir,
forgery.
I had one doubt on foreign banks, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, even though Federal Bank also in UAE, Oman, but why it's not considered as foreign bank?
Because this bank's headquarters is in India.
Oh, okay, sir. But there is a subsidiaries in other countries also, sir.
Subsidiaries may be there. That is different. The question is, what is the definition of a foreign bank? A definition of a foreign bank is a bank having its registered office registered in a foreign country,
Oh,
but
okay.
operating in our country.
Oh, okay, sir.
Jatin, please read forgery.
Forgery. When a material alteration is made on a document or a negotiable instrument like a check to change the mandate of drawer with intention to defraud.
It is known as forgery. Very good. Thank you. I request you to read GHIJKL and also M and N. Tomorrow when we come, maybe we can discuss these questions. So thank you so much. Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.